Okay. Now, after adding an employee, you have to add the shift timings of the employee. Okay. So for that, just log in to pagarbook.com. Log in. Once you log in, you get your dashboard. Go to settings. Under settings, you have an option called as shift settings. Now there is no shift added. Okay. Just click on the shift settings. Add shift. Okay. It's going to be a fixed shift. Shift name. So in this case, I'm giving 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. as the name of the shift, so that it will be easy for me to remember. So I will say shift time starts at 9:30 a.m. and ends at 6:30 p.m. Be very careful with a.m. and p.m. If you don't do this, it's not going to work. Okay. Then click on the option assign staff. Nagavani is being assigned to this shift 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Okay. Then say save. So now Pagar Book understands that there's a shift which has been fixed at 9:30 to 6:30 a.m. and in this shift, one staff is assigned. Just click on this, okay, to edit any timings you want. Back. So now it will say that there's one person who has been added to this shift. Go back. Okay. Now, if I go to staff, okay, I'll say Nagavani. So Nagavani now shift also has been assigned to Nagavani. So this is how you create a shift and then assign the timings to the employee. So first go to settings. Under settings, shift, add shift, write the from time to time as a shift name, then write the timings, then assign the staff to that particular shift. So in this case, I've assigned Nagavani. Remove it if you don't want. Again, add it if you want it. Okay, save it. So this is how you'll be adding the shift timings to each and every employee. Only after adding the shift timings, the employee can start marking the attendance using their mobile app. I'll show you how to generate the reports, all that on a later date. Okay. First, add the employees, create the shift, assign the shifts. After assigning the shifts, you can go to settings. Under settings, go to holiday policy and add the policy as per the calendars. Okay. So in this case, I'll just add one. So in this case, template name, I will say NICT 2023 holidays. That's a template number I'm just giving. So holiday starts from 2023. So I'll say okay, January 2023 to December 2023. So make sure to select the date 2023. Then click on, if you don't select this, if it goes to previous year, nothing is going to work. Okay. Then click on the add holiday. Name of the holiday. So in this case, it is Sankranti. Sankranti. Date is going to be on 15th of January as per the NICT calendar. Okay. Save. Okay. Then again, click on add holiday. Next holiday is going to be Republic Day. Republic Day is going to be on 26th January. So like this, you can add all the holidays one after the other for the entire year and then save. Make sure it is 2023 only. So in this case, I've added 2 holidays. Okay. So you can go to settings. Under settings, go to holiday policy, create template 1, NICT 2023 as holidays, then add all the holidays. I'm just editing this because I already created. I'll say edit. So already 2 dates has been added. So again, I'll say add. So next holiday, we don't have anything in Feb. We don't have anything in, okay, March we have on 22nd. So I'll say Ugadi festival is on 22nd March. Like this, add all your holidays and then save it. Okay. So this is how you create shift timings and then create holidays. Okay. Now I'll just log out.